Welcome to Crypto Tech Viewers. Every day we are analyzing the Bitcoin prices in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems, and also making an educated price prediction for the tomorrow after analyzing the global markets and Bitcoin options open interest data. So let's begin with the video today. As we could discussed yesterday, the Bitcoin prices took a support at 5,10 super trend level in 1 day chart, and this has been respected so far, and it has got a nice good green candle here in 1 day. Yep. From the 4 hourly, RSI is in fact closely touched the 30 level, and this particular leader candle with good volume says that you know the at least it is not going to fall harder further. Yeah, till these particular candles low is taken out, there's no downside movement is possible. The prices can either go sideways, or even go out and take this super trend level for the in next few hours. If you take the 1 hourly chart, it took a support at RSI 20 exactly. It looked like it was slowly retracing back, but after that it got a good steam once the global market opened, Nasdaq market opened yesterday night. Yeah. Until then, it is moving on, kind of a sideways above the 200 period moving average in 1 hourly. In fact, after a long time, it's now trading above this 200 period moving average in 1 hourly. This is a good sign. From the Camarilla pivot point of view, we could clearly see that it took a support at around S3 level. Now it's trading or consolidating about the pivot point. Yep. It has to take out this R4 level for any meaningful upside. Till then, either it can go sideways or go ahead and then try even retesting this particular pivot line, or even this S1 R1 line. If we could see the Fibonacci retracement point of view, so we thought that the trading range has shifted below the 0.5 level, retracement level, but that's not the case. So a stochastic crossover, happened to the positive side after after we make the videos yesterday, and when the once the Nasdaq opened and it got a good steam for the upside, and then the trading range is now, you know, uh, trading around a 0.61 0.619 retracement level, 61.8 percentage retracement level. So for any meaningful upside, as we have discussed, this particular height has to be taken out, or the R4 level should be taken out, so that it has good room for rally further. From the simple trend line point of view, there's a good news here. So it was breaking this particular support yesterday, and after that there was a triangle breakout. We thought that it broken down. I also even tweeted when this is happening, but this retrieval got a good steam after the Nasdaq open, as we discussed. So this good volume candle, I call it as a leader candle, sets up the trend for the rest of the candles. These 4 candles follows this leader candle now, and also, so this trend line breakout has also happened on the upside. It also moved a little bit above this particular support band. So this is a good sign. So even if it is falling again, so this, either this original trend line or this trend line or even this support band or even this particular low, all can provide a good support now. So that's a good news for the bulls. From the EMA ribbon point of view, we thought that it was not going well for the bulls. So after this retracement, it's now trying to trade around this EMA level. This EMA is like 233, 144, 89, and in fact the 55 level. Yep. So for any good meaningful upside, it has to take out this 233 EMA the way it has done here. Till then, it's going to move around like this, or going to consolidate it. From the anchored VWAP point of view, so this is anchored VWAP is plotted from the previous swing high, also the lowest point of this particular swing. So if we see, it's trading well below this particular VWAP, but good news is it's trying to cross about this particular VWAP for the previous swing low. So this is a good sign, but it has to get a steam to rally out of this and then go towards this one, this zone, this VWAP zone. Only then you know there will be a chance created for good upside rally after it is take out this particular VWAP. From the weekly time frame point of view, we saw fourth consecutive negative candles, but that got snapped now. The prices are trying to retest the 20 WMA level, and if it is able to successfully cross through this one, I know we can expect it can try to reach this 50 moving average level. From the global markets trend, US 30 is trading in positive territory today, and that's what is getting reflected in Bitcoin as well. Even same with S&P 500, both are almost same, but this is a broader market. This is very concentrated 30 markets, actually 30 stocks index. This is 500 stocks index actually. Yep. So this is trading positively, and Nasdaq yesterday it snapped, it opened down, but it snapped that opening, and then it went up to here. But for any meaningful rally to continue, this cluster of candles should be taken out for the Nasdaq, so that it can try to rally on the upside. But till then, the pressure is still on for the bulls. So they may not be like moving in a hurried manner till this particular cluster of candles is taken out. From the options open interest data, this is Bitcoin options open interest data for the April 28th, that is tomorrow. Based on that, what we are seeing is that the 39,000 is very strong support. In fact, 40,000 itself is now has become a good support, because a considerable amount of put options have been returned. For the call side, 41,000 seems to be like a resistance now. 42,000 is an absolute resistance. 41,000 is a pretty decent resistance. So with this data, we can reasonably come to a consensus that the Bitcoin prices may be trading between 40,000 to 41,000. So where do you think that the Bitcoin prices are getting towards? Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.